Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox unable to load friends. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to log out of Roblox account. To do this, you just need to open a browser. Click on the gear icon on here and select logout. The second step is to clear Roblox site data guys. To do this, click on this three dot icon on here and scroll down and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here, search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and delete it guys. Now the third step is to clear cache in a temp folder. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. In here, you just need to search for temp folder, double click on it. Search for Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it guys. After deleting it, close it up here. This was our first solution. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use a different browser. You can use Opera, Brave or Firefox. You just need to check my video description for these links used in my video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.